power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe in black clear coat. With steel front bumper, rock protection sill rails, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rock track heavy-duty full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, remote start system, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjt.com, stock number P47120.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.